Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new OBD2 Diagnostic and Battery Tool. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go actually take a look at it. So this is what it looks like right out of the box. You have your user manual right here, and then the actual tool right here. Go ahead and check it out. We'll hook it up to the car. I know I do have the check engine light on, so maybe it'll point us in the right direction. But as you can see, this is what it looks like. Should just be plug and play, so let's actually try it out. All right, so as you can see, I do have it plugged in. So you have the diagnosis, you can check the battery, live data, readiness. So let's go ahead and check diagnosis. So as you can see, it found a couple different codes. So let's go ahead and read codes. So the crankshaft position sensor A circuit is one of them. Let's go back. It'll give you the vehicle information if you need anything from there. Live PCM data, let's see what that does. Again, guys, I'm not super car savvy. Just want to show you guys what it does do. See quite a bit of information on here. This is very cool. Let's go back. So as you can see, it also does let you clear the codes if need be. So go back, and we do want to exit. Let's do battery monitoring, because I know this one does do the battery as well. As you can see, it seems like the battery is working just fine. So we'll go ahead and exit there. So that should be good. Let's see what it gives us on live data. And then let's just lastly just see what it does here. So as you can see, you can change the language, the beeps, things like that. Let's go back. So as you can see, quite a bit of information that you can get from this handy tool that maybe you don't have to go to the mechanic or anything like that. So again, you guys might know this better than I do, but as you can see, even a beginner can operate it. So if you guys are looking for a new OBD2 scanner, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.